Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add multiple TikTok accounts. So for this we're going to enter the TikTok application. Alright, and then right here we wanna click on profile in the bottom right corner, and then once we have entered our profile, then we click on the three lines again in the top right corner. Actually in the top right corner this time. So from here what we need to navigate to is settings and privacy. Then you want to scroll all the way down until you see the option switch account. So click on switch account, and then here you will see all of your accounts, but for this we're going to add a new account, so just click on add account, and then here you choose the method of signing up or signing into TikTok. So if you already have an account, you click on login, and then of course you use your phone, Facebook, Google, Twitter, or Instagram. And then after you have logged in, it will appear like it does for me right here. So that's how you do it. That's how you add multiple TikTok accounts to the same phone. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.